Hi, a hairstyle will be much cuter if combined with bangs. Have you used this hair gel?
Hey black girl, welcome back to my channel. Love all.
Rubber band hairstyles are the perfect choice when you're looking for a playful and pretty fall hairstyle that's full of fun. Try and guess my favorite color. I'm pinning the right answer. Let's do space buns. Oh my god. Today I tried out at Uncensored by C.'s gorgeously packaged lip gloss kit. 100% enjoyed wearing these glosses. They also came with a cute note and candy, which I thought was really nice and thoughtful when you get a lip gloss kit like that. My fab gloss was definitely the purple grape scented Computer Love lip gloss.
Watch me walk away, putting myself on display. 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way, on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond.
Wow, that's done.
I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way, on my way.
I don't need your money, you can pay
Quick and simple way to spice up 2 low buns.
Once I do it big, what's the follow? It's a check. I need 100 bags, nothing more, nothing less. And the ops feel away, cause I'm next, I'm a threat.
There's something new under the sun. You can't take back them things you already done. No. You blame things that you do on somebody else.
Simple curly braided style with butterfly clips.
But they all see is you need help. You waste all of your time covering up your tracks. You try so hard.
Do you think this hairstyle is suitable for autumn and winter?
And one day, something gon' change.
Swoop going into a ponytail on some knotless braids.
Here are some curly hair tips on how to manage your hair for the fall time / winter time. The first investment I would recommend is for you to get a diffuser. So for example, I got this, it's called Carnier, I think. I got this like years ago at Target for like, I think 10 bucks. And any type of hair dryer that you have, you just clip it on just like that. Very simple. But if you have the extra money, I recommend getting the Dyson diffuser just because this will literally dry your hair in like literally 10 minutes. It's important to blow dry your hair or diffuse it during the colder season just because of 2 reasons. 1, you don't want your hair to be matte crunchy when you're out and you have hair product in, and 2, you don't want to get sick because your hair is wet and it's cold outside. I've mentioned it a couple times in my other videos, but like wash your hair once a week because of 2 reasons. 1, you don't want to over dry your hair by washing it every day or wetting it every day, and 2, your hair will basically grow more because you're not taking the oils away too often. Also, when it comes to your wash days, I recommend really taking the time out of your day to apply product and section it and stuff like that so that it will last throughout the week. That way you don't have to keep washing it and wetting it just to reset back to your natural curls and you won't get sick.
Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW. On my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW. On my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW. On my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW. On my way to you. Good at
guys like cute hairstyles with bangs? They really hack age.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor.
Guys, new post sorry for being inactive again, smiling face with tear.
Flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash, cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home.
This is how I brush style my hair for really juicy ring bits. So I make sure my hair is soaking wet throughout the process. Then I'm going to smooth my hair with the styling brush first. Then I'm going to apply tension to help clump my curls together. Sometimes I also put my hand over the brush to create more tension and create tighter curls. You can also brush curl your hair around the handle of your brush to create really juicy ring bits that last ages. And this is what it looks like. So on the left hand side there's no brush styling, and on the right it's been brush styled. And this is the finished.
Too young, 100 miles per hour, might crash, cause good die young. But here I come, push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home.
Wow, that's done.
I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home, y'all coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back.
Hi Bun with 2 curlies, this is a collab with it, Curly YXNAII. Check out the side of the collab.
Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home.
Instincts going no, looking bad like a bat with an eye patch. All black through the woods with a backpack and a lit match. Spark one time, get the whole city looking like a dark shade of orange when I burn it down. What it is, what it do, whole clique getting live on the talk of the town. Lemon City had a mouth and it wouldn't shut up. On a hunt for a crown, when I get it, I'ma burn it, cause nobody in the game right now even deserve it. What I need a crown for anyway, I should have a halo the way that I made a penny turn to gold. And a penny for your thoughts, I bet a penny for your soul. You know you want the riches and the money and the fame, so take a bite of the fruit if you choose. Let the juice drip down, then away to a pie full of gold. In a house up on a lake, 10 holes on the grapes, new clothes, and a row full of J's and a lemon in the garage. Looking like a zoo in here, whole crew in here. What it do in here? Think I lost my mind. Loose screw in here, then I walk outside. And everybody looking at me while I got them all in my sights. Picking them off, taking them out, looking like daylight in the night. And I'm killing so many if they really wanna get involved. And everybody falling from the elevator, now I'm Bray Rice in this. It's like I'm rice and take a bite, it's nice. And I have a nice time with it. By the time that it finds the way to the right side of him, not even a Heimlich can save him. A selective finger to you imbeciles. Tell me what's been getting into you, envy will kill you. She said I'm a gentleman.
Do you guys like the hair tutorials on my channel? Please subscribe to the channel and comment below to let me know.